Good morning, everyone. It is August 15th. Let's dive into this morning market rundown. So we see recently we have a pretty aggressive bounce off this year-to-date VWAP. And what we see here is that year-to-date VWAP low. We have a nice aggressive bounce, and we are chewing right through the year-to-date VWAP, 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, all potential areas of supply so far. The significant VP shelf with the news this morning, we broke right through. So what we're looking at is 50-day moving average data here. Okay, if we do get a flush out over the next 6 days, over 3 days, right? If we do rally up here, Tuesday we're down here. Well, we're going to be at very similar prices 50 days ago. So that 50-day moving average will start to flatten. And if we trade lower over the next 6 days, we'll be here, and the 50-day moving average will actually start to decline. So it's something to keep in mind. However, if we rally up, we're able to fill this potential area of supply of 562, pull back, and this VP shelf can become support, while our 50-day moving average will continue to rise, right? If we do continue to push up the 20-day moving average, which is currently declining, if we are able to push up into this area and pull back for 2 days, push up, pull back for 3, right? We could see 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Come Tuesday, Wednesday next week, we'll be down here. So if we could push up and pull back, that will actually give us the opportunity for this 20-day moving average to flatten out and rise. So then not only we'll have a rising 20, rising 200, the 5-day here on the intermediate time frame on the right side, you could see this gold line is rising. So we'll have trend alignment of the 5, the 20, the 50, and the 200. That's not a prediction. It's just a potential scenario. So we got this aggressive push off these job claims, retail sales. Okay. So we see an unfilled gap up in this area at this 564. Okay. We do have a push up, 6% in nine days here. Okay. We can look on the daily time frame, right? 9 trading bars, 7 trading days, we're up 6%. So ideally, because of this, it can keep going. Ideally, I would love for this to pull back, maybe into this, undercut the week to date VWAP here, undercut, and then that 5-day moving average, and then start to find some support over in here. So then a potential, if we were looking to go long, we could look to get some support, some strength at this pullback in at the 5-day that's rising, undercut it, look for some strength, and then we could set up a low risk, high probability trade. And then maybe this could push us to fuel us up this 563, 552 areas. We could see that this previous area of support could be potential area of supply. This where we're trading into right now, this previous level of resistance that acted as support, broken here, right? So these are potential areas of supply. Ideally, like we talked about, we'd be looking for this flush, pull back in. If we don't think this rally is going to be fueled, just like we talked about, the 20-day moving average and 50. Well, what's going to happen next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if we just melt back down? Say we get something like that. Okay. Well, the data here is 5 days ago, right? And we keep pushing up. So by Tuesday next week, if we do flush down here, Monday, today, right? Tuesday we bounce, Wednesday maybe we flush back down, then we'd be looking for something like this in that 5-day moving average to get flat to declining, and then we can participate on the short side, looking for some type of scenarios like this to potentially short. And we're underneath the month to date VWAP, but potentially looking for a setup at 529, maybe with a stop up in this 533 area. These are predictions. These are just potential scenarios. Okay. I'm going to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers. We're on the intermediate time frame. We're in a rising 5-day moving average. 50-day moving average is rising. 200-day moving average is rising. Okay. We just got a recent crossover of the 2-day RSI. We are hitting a little bit of an extreme reading here. So again, maybe that will help us pull back, retest this 40 to 50 on intermediate, and then rally back up to an oversold. The daily time frame here, 10 period RSI. We just got a mean reversion trade kind of into the 20-day moving average, which would be that oversold condition coming out and trading into that 50 boundary, ironically right into that 20-day moving average for mean reversion. So like I said, I'm a trend trader. We're looking for trend alignment, and given the benefits of the buyers right now, trading above a month-to-date VWAP, week-to-date VWAP, 2-day VWAP, and daily VWAP. Looking for a pullback into this VP cluster, month-to-date VWAP area. Okay, not going to buy the dip. Look for some strength, and then buy some strength after the dip. Hopefully this was helpful.